Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic 9th lesson, safety first. Dear children, today we are going to learn about safety first. In this chapter, we are going to learn how we should take safety measures in our daily life. Okay, observe in your textbook, children. Kunal's mother was sitting in their house made of cement and bricks. She was knitting a sweater for Kunal as winter was going to set in. So Kunal mother was sitting in front of the house and knitting the sweater for Kunal. And mother was she is sitting in their house made up of cement and bricks. Everybody's home is made up of cement, bricks, sand, wood and iron, no? So Kunal mother was also sitting in front of the house made up of cement and bricks. And she was knitting a sweater for Kunal. Next para, she heard a knock at the door. She rushed to see who was there. It was Kunal along with Neil and Sana, and he was crying. She was surprised as Kunal never cried. Then she saw his bleeding knee. It was a deep cut. He had hurt himself while playing in the park. Yes, Kunal mother heard a knock at the door. Someone is knocking the door. No, at that time she heard the knocking the door and she rushed to see who was there. She went outside and see who was there. It was Kunal along with Neil and Sana. Neil and Sana are Kunal friends. So she saw Kunal along with Neil and Sana. And he was crying. Kunal was crying. She was surprised because ಕುನಾಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಕ್ರೈಡ್. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕುನಾಲ್ ಅಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಿದು ಕುನಾಲ್ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಸಾ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನೀ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಕಟ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವೈಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದು ಗಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನೀ, ಮೊಣಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, accidents generally cause hurt or harm. ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ hurt himself while playing in the park. Kunal's mother gently cleaned the wound, applied some ointment and bandaged his knee. After a few days, his wound healed and he was fit again. Kunal mother cleaned the wound ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, she applied some ointment and bandaged his knee. After few days his wound healed and he was fit again. Neil and Sana come to visit Kunal. Neil told Kunal's mother how Kunal had been afraid to come home and get his wound treated when he fell down. Kunal smiled as he now realized how important it is to inform elders and ask for help if one gets hurt. If we would not have informed his mother, the wound would have worsened. And then, yes, Kunal mother gently cleaned his wound. After that, few days after, the wound healed. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಮದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸನಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಕುನಾಲ್. ನೀಲ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕುನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್. ನೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವೂಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅವರು ಭಯ ಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕುನಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮದರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್. ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್, Dettol, cotton, scissor, everything is in a first aid box. All these things are kept in one box. This is called first aid kit box. So it is good idea for every child to make his or her ಓನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್. ಗಾಯ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಉಂಡಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಟ್ ಉಂಡಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆದ್ರೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Here, Kunal told his friends how important is to be careful while using sharp objects like knives and blades, and not to play and fidget with plugs at home. Kunal, tell me, Mom, is it important to take safety measures outside the house as well? Yes, Kunal, we should take even more care once we are outside our homes. ಕುನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೀಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸನ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಗಾಯ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕುನಾಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್, ಕುನಾಲ್ ಮದರ್, like Kunal told his friends, it is how important it is very careful while using sharp object. ಅವಾಗ ಕುನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನೈವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೇಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಜೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ಲಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅದರೆಲ್ಲ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬ್ಲೇಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೈವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್, blade and knives. Always it is safe to use the sharpener. Yes children, you also use always to sharp the pencil, use sharpener. And scissors also, it is kept in first aid box. We should not play with scissors also. These are the useful. While when we get hurt, then place a cotton pad and over it and tie it up with a bandage. ಗಾಯ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಐರನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ a new electrical appliances without reading the instruction manual ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Using all these children, you should not go kitchen also. Small children, they don't know. They are, see second picture, small child going to bite a wire. That is also very dangerous because the electric is there, no? And also handling sharp objects. These are the very dangerous for children. If there is an accident in the absence of an elder person around, call your neighbors for help immediately. If your parents are not there in your home, means small child, small brother, your brother or sisters are there, means they will fell down, something happen, means that time immediately you should call your neighbors. Okay children, turn next page. Kunal's mother decided to take all the children outside to teach them how to take care of themselves at certain places. Name any 3 places other than home or school that you go to. Yes, you should write there other 3 places where we should take care, no? So 3 other places you have to write other than home or school. So you should write there playground, garden and swimming pool. Okay children? Yes. On the road, we should take care of the road also. Someone might get hurt or trip and fall. That time also you should take. Accidents are caused sometimes due to our own ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಟ ಆಡೋವಾಗ ಅವರಷ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ if you are careful that nobody will get hurt. Do not pull anyone from or push anyone into the water. In swimming pool also, while you are going to swim, no, that time do not pull anyone. ಯಾರನ್ನಾರು ಆಗಲಿ ನೂಕೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Never dive into the shallow swimming pools. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈವ್ ಹಾಕೋದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ರನ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಲ್ ಎನಿವನ್. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಥರ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಆನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್, ಕುನಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ನೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸನಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಹೌಸ್ which was on the other side of the road. While walking towards the car, his mother pointed out at the black and white stripes on the road, known as dash crossing, zebra crossing. Right there, zebra crossing. Black and white stripes you can see no on the road. That stripes is called as zebra crossing. She asked them to first look to their right, then to their left, and then again to the right before they crossed the road. She added that they should cross it only once the traffic gets cleared, when they reached their car. Yes, children, always we should cross the road. First we should look at their left and then again to the right before you then cross the road. Kunal's mother asked everyone to fasten their seat belts. Here is, you should write seat belts. Here unjumbled words are there. So you should write there seat belts. See, cross the road only at the zebra crossing. This is black and white stripes is called as zebra crossing. Look right, then left, and then right again before crossing the right. First you should always observe. Look right, then left, and then again right before crossing the road. If there is no footpath, walk on the road's right side of the road. Then you will go carefully. Do not run on the road. We should not run on the road. And do not get into or off the moving bus. ಬಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆಟೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಬಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಹತ್ತೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋದಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಬಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾಗ ಇಳಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಟೋ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಬಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕಾಗಲಿ ಇಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next, when Kunal's mother saw Sana leaning outside the car's window and waving at people passing by, she told the children that they should never take out their head or hands out of the windows of any vehicle, whether it is moving or stationary. Sorry. Kunal mother saw Sana is leaning outside window, car's window. Leaning means ಆಚೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಕಾರ್ ವಿಂಡೋಯಿಂದ. ಆವಾಗ ಆಚೆ ಇರೋಂಥ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವೇವಿಂಗ್ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ. ಆವಾಗ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಮದರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ತಲೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಕೈ ಆಗಲಿ ವಿಂಡೋಸಿಂದ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ನಿಂತಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ, ಕಾರ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಆರ್ ಬಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Kunal was sitting quietly next to his mother as he knew that it is wrong to disturb the person who is driving. They reached the park. ಕುನಾಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ಲಿ. ಕುನಾಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಈ ನ್ಯೂ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್. ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ದೇ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಕ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ traffic signal light is there. You can observe in the textbook, children. Yes, three lights is there: red light, yellow light, and green light. Red light says stop, green light says get ready, and green light says go. Here you see, observe, red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. Safety at play. Here there is an activity in your textbook. Tick the children who would be safe while playing. You should tick there who would play safe while playing. Here in observe in this picture, first picture children, see all the boys or children are standing in the queue, and also another one boy going to slide. See, this is the correct. So tick it there in this circle. This is correct. Tick it in this box. Correct. Second picture, observe children. One boy is pushing another one boy. This is wrong. See, this is wrong. You should not tick there. In third picture, one boy is climbing opposite of slide. So that is also wrong. We should not climb opposite of the slide. Fourth picture, two boys are going to play seesaw. They are playing very safely. So this is correct. Tick it there. Another one, fifth one, they are going to swing. Two children, they are going to swing. In this picture, one girl is standing in front of the swing. That is wrong. So don't tick that. Last picture, only one girl going to swing. That is correct. Tick it. That one is correct. So here is one elder teacher is standing in PT teacher is there standing, and she is observing children. They are playing safely. This is also correct. Safety at pool. After playing in the park, Kunal, Sana, and Neil decided to go for a swim, but the watchman stopped them from entering the pool. After playing in the park, Kunal, Sana, and Neil decided to go for a swim, but the watchman stopped them from entering the pool. Why do you think the watchman stopped the children from entering the pool? The watchman stopped them as they were not accompanied by an adult. Watchman ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದರೆ, the watchman stopped them as they were not accompanied by an adult. ಯಾರು ದೊಡ್ಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಚ್ಮನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. The watchman asked the kids to read the instructions given before entering the pool. The instruction clearly stated, little children are not allowed to enter the pool alone. They should be accompanied by an adult. Little children ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಪೂಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಕಂಪನಿಡ್ ಬೈ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್. ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆವರ್ ಡೈವ್ ಇಂಟು ಶಾಲೋ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್. ಡೈವ್ ಹಾಕೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಎ ಲರ್ನರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ float and must swim at the shallow end of the pool in the presence of the coach. Coach ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay. Kunal now realized why the watchman had not allowed them. He quickly called his mother. His mother took them inside the pool area. She asked them if they had eaten anything heavy some time back, as one should never go for a swim immediately after a heavy meal. ಕುನಾಲ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್, ಅವಾಗ ವಾಚ್ಮೆನ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಕುನಾಲ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ and took them inside the pool. After along with the mother, they entered the pool. Kunal realized after that the watchman had not allowed them. He quickly called his mother. His mother took them inside the pool area. ಅವಾಗ ಕುನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೆಮ್ if they had eaten anything heavy sometime back, as they should never go for a swim immediately. ಊಟ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಹೆವಿ ಮೀಲ್ ತಿಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಪೂಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಮದರು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Do not pull anyone or push. Turn next page. She also asked them to read the instruction board near the pool. ಪೂಲ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಪೂಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ರನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಡೀಪ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ pool. Change into a swimsuit before entering the pool. Take a float or tube before entering the pool. See, these are the instructions on the swimming pool on the board. After a while, a lot of fun and learning, the children were tried and started for home. That night, Kunal decided to teach his sister Komal what safety measures one should take around the house. ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಲಿತಾರಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವಾಗ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಶಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ದಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕುನಾಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಹರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಳಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮಗಿನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕುನಾಲು, ಕೋಮಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಕುನಾಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ pool or start alone, and also do not pull anyone from or push anyone into the water. Yes, you should take a float or tube before entering the pool. In this picture, observe children, Kunal's sister Komal, she is going to keep finger inside the CPU. That is wrong. Kunal is telling Komal, no, don't touch the electric objects. Like that, he is informing his sister. And also she is, second picture, observe children, Komal is playing along with matchsticks. So that is also wrong, no? So he is avoiding to play in the matchsticks. And also iron box is there in third picture. Komal is going to touch the electric object, iron box, with wet hands. So Komal is also avoiding. Yes, and also Komal is spreading her toys along the ground. So Kunal is informing her, take your after playing, you should make it tidy that place. But she is not split on the toys on the floor only, so she fell down. That is also wrong. A little safety taken at all places will always keep us safe from injuries. Yes, a little safety taken at all places will always keep us safe from injuries. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಿ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಸುಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕೂಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರ್ನ್ ಉರಿ ಆಗೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಐಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಕಟ್ ವುಂಡ್ಸ್, a clean cotton pad or cloth should be placed firmly over the wound. This will stop the bleeding. ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್. These appliances, electrical appliances are very useful to us, no? These appliances are useful and make our life easy and comfortable. So we should take handling very carefully. Now I know safety means taking measures to stay away from harm. We should be extra careful when we step out of our home. We should always use the zebra crossing to cross the road. We should never lean out of the windows when we are in a vehicle. We should follow safety rules while playing in the park and while swimming. Yes, children, we should take safety measures. Always we should take safety measures to stay away from harm. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದು ತಪ್ಪುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಲೀನ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇರೋವಾಗ ವಿಂಡೋಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಗ್ ನೋಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಆಟೋಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಗ್ ನೋಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಕಾರಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ಬಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವುದರಿಂದನೂ ಆಚೆ ಬಗ್ ನೋಡೋದು, ಕೈ ಇಡೋದು, ಕಾಲಿಡೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, we should follow safety rules while playing in the park also and swimming. While swimming also, kitchen also, playing, every time we should also take safety rules, then you will be safe. ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್. ಮೊದಲೇ ಗಾಯ ಏನಾರು ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ನಾವು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿ ವಾಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂರ್. Okay children, I hope everybody understood this lesson. Everybody read once this lesson. Okay children, thank you.